How to troubleshoot Snapchat not loading snaps on the iPhone. Let us open our Snapchat app first and go to Profile. Click on Settings. Scroll down and look for Privacy Controls, and under Privacy Controls go to Clear Data, and in the bottom you will see an option of Clear Cache. Click on that. This will help you in clearing bugs. Snapchat will now ask you to restart the app, so go ahead and restart Snapchat. If it still doesn't fix the problem, go to Settings and then in General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and search for Snapchat there. Click on it and then click on Offload App and reinstall it again. None of your data will be deleted, so you do not have to worry about that. By now your bug should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.